a lightning strike from last night's storm causing a house fire in South Abilene on Tuesday evening. The fire happened at a home on the 2500 block of Edgemont Drive around 6:15 last night. When firefighters arrived on scene, they found heavy smoke coming from the roof of that home, followed by heavy flames. In order to get the fire, which was in the attic, under control, firefighters had to pull back the ceiling. In total, this fire caused an estimated $80,000 worth of damage. Investigators determined this fire was caused by a lightning strike to the roof.